Meta stock jumped 20% in record Q4 earnings, but should you buy now? Let's dive right into it by first analyzing their quarterly earnings. But before we get started, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. You are watching Investing Strategy 101 and my name is Aditya Jain. Meta ad revenue jumped 24% year on year, capitalizing on strong demand from AI. Overall, the business had over 80% in gross margin and 40% in operating margins, which is huge. Meta family of apps daily active users grew 8% year on year to 3.19 billion, which is also a new milestone. Meta declared its first ever quarterly dividend of 50 cents per share and also initiated an additional 50 billion stock buyback beyond the 30 billion that is still outstanding. Meta repurchased 6.32 billion of its common stock in Q4 and 20.03 billion for the full year 2023. Meta ended the quarter with 66 billion in cash, 18 billion in long-term debt. Management guided first quarter revenue in the range of 34 to 37 billion, which the street really liked. Overall, looking at the past few quarters, Meta remains a compelling investment opportunity in my opinion, despite its recent surge. CEO Zuckerberg and his team navigated a challenging 2023 market by streamlining operation and achieving a 22% in employee headcount reduction since Q4 2022. Now let's talk about valuation. But before we go into the details, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making investment decisions. So, using my hypothetical valuation framework, let's analyze where Meta stock is going from here. Of course, any stock can go way higher or lower depending on how they execute and market sentiment. So looking at Meta's past quarterly results and management's guidance, I have made some assumptions here to come up with a hypothetical price target with an investment period of 4 years. My low case assumes an annual revenue growth of 9%, operating margin of 36%, share repurchase of 1.7% with a PE multiple of 20, which leads me to a hypothetical annual return of 0.83%. Now, my base case assumes an annual revenue growth of 11%, operating margin of 38%, share repurchase of 2% with a PE multiple of 22.5. which leads me to a hypothetical annual rate of return of 7.48%. My bull case assumes an annual revenue growth of 13%, operating margin of 40%, share repurchase of 2.2% with a PE multiple of 25, which leads me to a hypothetical annual return of 13.99%. I personally think it should be somewhere between the base and the bull case as I look ahead with anticipated interest rate cuts by Federal Reserve in 2024 combined with major elections in key markets like the US and India should create a positive tailwind for Meta's advertisement business. These factors position the company potentially for new highs in coming year. Meta is my third largest position and my plan is to continue to hold and buy more on any pullback. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as it motivates me to make more videos and share my investment strategy. Peace.